it's Bo Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today the weather is so gorgeous. It's beautiful and lovely outside. I think it's about 22 degrees at the moment. It's so nice. I am enjoying this weather so much. I hope you are too. It is about 3 o'clock and I am hungry, starving, because I've been working quite hard today. I haven't thought about eating at all because I was so busy. So now I am going to cook something, and it's gonna be a quick thing because I am so starving. So I need to have something quick. So what I am going to cook is ramen noodle soup. So let's start because I'm so starving. These are toppings that I am using. So spring onions, chili, boiled egg, cooked pak choy, ramen noodles. These from Tesco. These from Marks and Spencer's. M&S. I am also gonna use black sesame seeds and the normal white one as well. A piece or 2 pieces of crispy seaweed. Also going to use cooked chicken and pork. They are in the oven. Okay, this is the noodles. I'm going to use 1 pack. So in here it's got 2. I'm going to use 1. There we go. 2 to 3 minutes. I sometimes use different noodles for this soup. This is the soba noodles. They're from M&S. And there's another one, different type of udon noodles. And these are from M&S as well. The reason I use this one today because it's quick. This take 10 minutes and this take 5 minutes. So they are ready. I am going to put them in the bowl. Here it is. So noodles are ready, and next I am going to cook the soup. So it doesn't really tell how long I need to cook it for. I guess until it's hot. While I'm waiting for the soup to get hot, I will put a bit of my topping into these 2 bowls. Okay, right, so I'm going to do a bit of these in here. And here I need to cut the egg in half. Before that I'm going to add a bit of pak choy first. Oops, come on, like that, and a bit of chili. Okay. So my meat are cooked as well. Okay, I think this is probably good enough. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to put everything together. Just look at that. Beautiful. And obviously some vegetable toppings going in like that. just using my hand. They're clean. Egg. The rest of it. Forgot about that. And my meat. This is the pork dish. And this is the chicken. A little bit of sesame seeds. And this is the black one. This one is the pork dish, and this one is the chicken dish. I just realized that I haven't put the seaweeds in, so they are now in. So that's it for today, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you again soon on my next video. So take care. See you soon. Bye.